Do you know which is the world's largest bulldozer? It is Komatsu D575A, manufactured by Komatsu Limited, Japan in 1992. The weight of the bulldozer is 152 tons and require 9 trailers and a set of trucks to transport to the site. Length of bulldozer is 38 feet, its width is 24 feet and its height is 16 feet. There is 12-cylinder 4-stroke 1150 horsepower diesel engine to power the tractor crawler. The bulldozer has 2,100-liter fuel capacity. D575A has maximum forward speed is 12 km per hour and maximum reverse speed is 13.8 km per hour. Komatsu D575A has a standard blade which is 11 feet 11 inch high and 24 feet 3 inch wide. The bulldozer used in mostly surface mines and moves 69 cubic meter of a material in a single pass. The bulldozer can dig up to a maximum depth of 6 feet at a time using its single shank ripper. Another model, D575A 3SD Super Dozer, is capable to move 96 cubic meter material per pass. The ground contact area of this bulldozer is 101.55 square feet and exerts an average ground pressure of 23 pounds per square inch. It is primarily used in surface mines in West Virginia and Alpha Natural Resources coal mines in Appalachia. This bulldozer comes with various models in 1989 to 2012. The first model is D555A. If you love this giant bulldozer, then please like and share this video with your friends.